Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So sometime back I had shared with you all an HD BB cream video, and today I'm going to be making an HD CC cream. Now CC creams are little more coverage giving than BB creams, a little more heavier than BB creams on application. So today we are going to be making that. We'll quickly start with the making. So here I have both my phases, my water phase and my oil phase. In my water phase I have taken a little distilled water propanediol, and I have again taken a little bit of xanthan gum and hyaluronic acid combination for this. And in my oil phase I have taken my blend of silicons, my waxes, my oils, carrier oils, my thickeners. Everything has been added in my oil phase. So quickly we'll go ahead and heat both these phases. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated my oil phase and my water phase, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase. And we'll go ahead and quickly give this a nice blend. I've got another blender now. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and blended both the phases, and now when the mixture is a little warm itself, I will add my blend of pigments to give it the color that we want for our CC cream. Okay, so we've gone ahead and mixed all the pigments here, and it's mixed very well, if you all can see this. And now we'll go ahead and add our preservative to this, and we'll give it a mix. Okay, so I've mixed the preservative well here, and now I will show you all how this is on application. So it has a lot of coverage here, the CC cream, a very high coverage, and with the little that I have put on my hand here, you can see how even tone the skin has got. It's a very even toned skin, and this stay time also is around 10 hours. So this is it with our CC cream, and if you do like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, for the ones who would like to learn how to make these creams, you all can WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box to join my workshops. We make these during our workshops. Basic CC cream formulation will be shared in the description box. Thank you so much everyone.